Welcome to this guide on how to use Amazon Prime Visa Purchase Protection. As an Amazon Prime member, you are eligible for this benefit, which provides additional protection on purchases made with your Amazon Prime Visa card. First, it is essential to understand what purchase protection is. Purchase protection is a benefit that provides reimbursement for eligible items that are stolen, damaged, or lost within a specified timeframe, usually up to 120 days from the date of purchase. To be eligible for purchase protection, you must make a purchase with your Amazon Prime Visa card. This benefit applies to most purchases, but there are some exceptions, such as cash purchases, purchase of gift cards, and purchases of certain items like jewelry or precious metals. If an item you purchased with your Amazon Prime Visa card is stolen, damaged, or lost, you can file a claim to receive reimbursement. To do this, gather all relevant documentation, including the purchase receipt, a police report if applicable, and any other supporting evidence. Next, contact the issuer of your Amazon Prime Visa card to report the incident and initiate a claim. They will guide you through the process and provide additional information on what documentation is required. It is crucial to note that purchase protection is subject to certain terms and conditions, including coverage limits and exclusions. For example, the coverage limit is usually up to $1,000 per claim, and there may be a maximum number of claims allowed per year. To maximize the benefits of purchase protection, always keep your receipts and other purchase documentation in a safe place, and be aware of the terms and conditions of the benefit. Additionally, consider registering your purchases online to make it easier to track and manage your claims. In conclusion, Amazon Prime Visa Purchase Protection provides an additional layer of security for purchases made with your card. By understanding the terms and conditions, keeping your documentation in order, and being aware of the claims process, you can take full advantage of this valuable benefit and enjoy greater peace of mind when shopping with your Amazon Prime Visa card.